Alright, in this video we're going to be unboxing the UGREEN DXP4800 Plus NAS from UGREEN. So a NAS stands for a network attached storage. So to put it simply, just imagine having one of these external hard drives and having it plugged in directly into your router and being able to access any of the files on that hard drive over the network. Then this makes it so that it's just a lot easier to access these files. So say you're like in a office environment and you have files that you're working on some kind of project, and so you need access to them, or your spouse needs access to them, or somebody needs access to them. They'll be able to get it if they're on the same network that the hard drive is plugged into. So that's just the tip of the iceberg regarding what a NAS is. So I've been wanting to build my own NAS for a while now, and after UGREEN launched their NAS system about a year ago, I've just been wanting to get it, watching so many different reviews on it on YouTube, and just seeing all the different things you can do with NAS. I'm super excited. So I finally got it. So let's get this out of this box. So it's a box within a box. We're doing this kind of stuff. All right. The NASync DXP4800 Plus. We got the box here. I ordered this from UGREEN Japan, so that's why it's everything in here is in Japanese. So you can see here up to 112 terabytes. For my particular setup, we're going to be doing 3 8 terabyte hard drives here. So I got the Western Digital Red Plus. 8 terabytes. So I got 3 of them, and that's the current setup, and we'll expand in the future if need be. Let's get this open. Yeah. Another one of these openings. All right, here we are. First little box here on the side looks like accessories. Looks like this is the NAS system right here. Oh, gotta be careful. Ah! Okay, here it is. DXP4800 Plus. Let's really quick go through the accessories. Side here. Manual and warranty card, power adapter, and Ethernet cable. I have the hard drive tray here, and they make it pretty easy where you press this little tab here in the back, opens it up like that, and then you take your hard drive, where you put it in here, just like that, have it sit, and then press it in there, and it basically sets it inside of this tray. And you take it, slide it in, and you're ready to go. And I have 2 more, so let's get the rest of them in. Alright, so I got all the hard drives installed. Let's go a little bit on the back of the unit right here. So we have the HDMI, USB 3.2, and then 2 USB 2.0s, along with 2 Ethernet here. You have the 2.5 gigabit and the 10 gigabit, and the reset button. And then that magnetic dust screen here. And then a little bit on the front, we have the 4 drive bays right here. You have the power on button, and then a bunch of light indicators. Obviously it's not on. An SD card reader here in front, USB-C, and then a USB 3.0, another one here in the front. And then just the model, DXP4800 Plus. So yeah, I think we're ready to boot up and see how this thing goes. All right, moment of truth. First time booting it up. There we go. It's alive. This right here is the Ethernet connected directly into the Wi-Fi. Kind of tipped over now because of the wire, but yeah, we are. So now the actual setup of the Ugreen NAS, like configuring the drives and configuring all the different storage pools and all that stuff, is going to be a little bit of a more in-depth video. But if you guys are interested in seeing a video like that, let me know in the comments below and I can make something, a simple video talking about it. But that's going to be it for this video. If you guys enjoyed it, definitely let me know in the comments below and leave a like. But with that said, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.